This quick lesson will teach you how to conjugate an AR verb. Every AR verb conjugates the same way. They always receive the same endings depending on the subject of the verb. The yo form of the verb always ends in o. The tu form of the verb always ends in as. Usted, él, and ella always receive a. Nosotros ends in amos. Vosotros receives ice. Notice the accent mark over the a. Ustedes, ellos, and ellas always receives an. Our first step is always to drop the ending. Verbs. So once we drop the a, we are left with habl, an. Let's see what this looks like when we actually conjugate a verb. The first thing we must do is drop the ending. When you drop the ending, you get rid of the AR, and you are left with what is called the stem of the verb. The stem of the verb is what shows up in the few letters just before the AR ending. This chart on the right is a reminder to you of what our 6 AR verb endings are. The first thing I've done is drawn my verb chart with all of my subject pronouns in each box. I've also added all of my endings according to which subject pronoun they're matched with. The conjugation for the yo form of hablar is yo hablo. The tu form of hablar will be tú hablas. Usted, él, ella habla. Nosotros hablamos. Vosotros habláis. Y ustedes, ellos, ellas hablan. Now I'd like you to try to conjugate the verb llegar on your own. Remember to drop the ending first and then to fill in the chart accordingly with the endings that are given to you in the top right-hand corner. Pause the video and come back in a few minutes after conjugating the verb on your paper. The form for yo is llego. The form for tú is llegas. Usted, él, and ella llega. Nosotros llegamos. Vosotros llegáis. Ustedes, ellos, ellas llegan. Now go back and say these words out loud to yourself. 3 things to remember as you're conjugating verbs. Number 1, drop the ending. Number 2, determine who the subject is. And number 3, add a new ending to your verb based on the subject of your sentence.